So today we're going to talk about man-made versus natural resources, all right? So first we're going to watch this introduction video, so I want everybody to pay close attention, all right?
A natural resource is something that's found in nature. People use it to meet their needs. Examples of natural resources are what we get from animals, from the soil, plants, wind, and even water. On the other hand, though, a man-made resource is something that's been changed by humans. It does not look like that in nature. Examples of man-made resources are the things that we make our fabrics out of, like nylon, or things like plastic and metals, and even the paper products we use every day.
So each of you are going to get one of these squares. So you can all come up and get a piece of tape and a square that's already cut out with a different resource on it. And once you're done, you can talk amongst yourselves and see where either man-made resource or natural resource that it should go in. So I'm going to give y'all just a minute to get that done. All right, very good. So let's look at some of the things that y'all put in the four square. We have a pencil, an umbrella, and a wheel in the man-made resources area. And those are all correct. All of those things are made by people. They do not just grow in nature. So let's look at our natural resources. Water, tree, and rock. Very well done. All of those things are natural resources. They do not have to be made by man. So now let's look at our definitions. So let's talk amongst ourselves and kind of think about what you think are good definitions for man-made resources and natural resources. And then we're going to come back together and come up with a class definition. Very good. Okay, so let's think. What are man-made resources? Yes, they are made by people. They do not grow in nature. So I think that is a great definition. That is things that people have to make. So now let's think about natural resources. What are natural resources? Good, that is right. They are things that are already on Earth. Very good. So now everyone to get out a sheet of paper and draw a T-chart on your paper that looks like this one that's up on the board. You're going to have a line straight down the middle and then another line close to the top like this one right here. And then I want you to write these words just like they are on here. This word is natural. These are natural resources. And this one over here is man-made. And what I want you to do in the natural column, I want you to draw one or two pictures and color them in with either crayons or colored pencils that are natural resources. And then on the other side, for man-made, I want you to draw 1 to 2 pictures of man-made resources. All right. And at the end, we will share some of your T-charts if there is time, and these will be turned in so that I can make sure that everyone has a good understanding of what natural and man-made resources are. So I'm going to let you all get started, okay? If you have any questions, just raise your hand or come see me.